Hi, my name is Rehan. Final part of the final part of the no internet game has arrived. So let's start. First, we did lots of code. So, so all of this, you leave it like you just put it here, and you go to variables and take this var x equals to code and put it here. In the first box, you write score. Then in the second box, you write 0. Then, then you scroll down and here. First, you get an if block from control. If block right here and put it in. Then you go to sprites and get is touching blocker. That will be is right here. Then in first you write dino, and then you write coin group. Yeah, like that. And you get another is touching and put it up here, and you write dino in the obstacle group. Then you go to control and get x equals nothing. So in the first one you write game state, and in the second box you write in capital N. Then you go to world and get this play sound. That'll be right here. Play sound. It'll get bigger. You click the play sound, click the arrow, then click choose, and then you can choose any sound. If you want to make your own sound, you can if you have a sound and your files, you can upload it or you can record one. So yeah. And then you go to variable and get x equal to again. And then in the first one you write score, and then in the second block you get this plus symbol and put it in the second block. Then in the first block of the plus symbol you write score again, and then in the second block of the plus symbol you write +1. Then you go to variable and get this console log message block and put it in. The first one you just leave console, and the second one you write score. And let's continue. Now, the ending part. You go to sprites and get this var sprite block and put it in. In where also it's sprite, you write coin, and then in here in the first box you write 400. Then you go to math and get random numbers and put it in. In the second block, that it will spread out. And then in the first box you are 290, then in the second box you are 320. And then you go to sprites and get this animation block, that's the second block. When also sprite you write coin, and you click the arrow, and there's all of this coin, and then you add that. And you just stay in sprite and get scale. That is right here. You get the scale block and put it in. The first bit you write it's coin, and in the second bit you write 0.5. And remember all of before that, everything before I said this. First you have to place the if block that I forgot to tell you. Then you put everything in, and then here you get this. Again you go to this sprite x, no, this velocity x, and you put it in. The first one you write coin, and the second one you write -6. Then for this, do you know this triple equal sign? You go to math and get the triple equal sign. That's like right here, but it's not there. So so you can try get it, or you can type it. And then you get this and sign, like this one, and put it in the first block. The second block right here, you put 0. Then you go to world and get this world frame count block and put it in. And in this block, you write 80. I hope you like my video. I'll just put a quick run of how to do it. If you click, I've got the space bar, so if I click the space bar, it'll work. And I've got a sound in to make that sound. So I hope you like this. I hope you play it and make it. Thanks for looking. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.